Hello, and thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to make this video. And also, thank you so much for the mail. So, I have done my research and I've come up with a few things. I've made my own notes, and in my opinion, I feel business for development is bridging the gap between the top talents and the organizations by providing professional mentorship programs as well as giving or providing strategic and innovative solutions. So I think you guys are actually doing a lot of innovative things in order to furnish the talents by giving coaching, trainings, and mentoring programs as well as workshops. So apparently I feel you guys are trying to build and develop for the business, not just the managers but the leaders today, and that you are doing keeping in mind the demographic shift, which I really feel is important because it is necessary that organizations keep in mind the shift in demography today, which is really important to have a cutting edge in the competitive world, as we see that organizations are moving and proceeding towards the VUCA environment. So yes, I think this is something that is really important. And you also range in variety of aspects like schools and universities, medical and logistics, consultancies, banking services. And I feel you have a variety of industries that you're focusing on, and I think it is not just that, but every little business unit to a huge major corporation would need something like mentoring in order to gain leadership traits, because as they say that leaders are not born but they are made, and I think a business for development is something that could actually do this. And I think your core target could be line managers, rectors, prorectors, and I also believe it could be entrepreneurs, because entrepreneurs are really talented and they have skills and abilities and um, knowledge. But I think it is really important that they also have leadership traits in order to make a difference, because there are so many startup companies, and uh, it is really competitive out there in order to have success or a competitive advantage basically. So I think this is really important. And I also noticed one more thing is that you guys are providing webinar for free, and I think it is really important because that is a very good platform in order to achieve knowledge or in order to acquire a good amount of information when it comes to mentoring and coaching or probably the leadership programs. So that is more about the organization, and I believe I could introduce myself. I am Dharma Kore and I come from India. Currently, I am pursuing my master's in international management with specialization in human resources, and I'm really happy to apply to this company in for the internship, because I feel that I have a lot of energy to bring in order to contribute the areas of skill or areas with respect to human resources as well as mentoring and coaching, because I myself have been mentoring and coaching for a long period in my past. And yeah, I guess HR is all about making a difference to your employees, employers, and the stakeholders. And you really need to have good amount of communication skills in order to have communication with everyone at different level. And I think I am really confident that I have good amount of communication skills which are effective and diplomatic. So that is much about me, and thank you so much for giving me this opportunity again, and I hope to see you in person or probably at least on the web call. Thank you.